This is a private label brand that is available in California and is manufactured by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. The APHM3 models have aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion and compressor sound blankets to lower noise levels. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide central heating. The APHM3 models are basic heat pumps with a 13.4 SEER2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, and they are field convertible from horizontal discharge to down air discharge for rooftop installations. They are relatively loud with an 80 decibel noise level, which is equivalent to an alarm clock. The warranty on the units is only average, as it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.